Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best St. Anthony statue is probably one of the most revered and sought-after devotional items for those seeking intercession in finding lost things, whether they be physical objects, lost opportunities, or even lost hope, making it a powerful symbol of faith and divine assistance that resonates deeply with believers across various traditions and walks of life. Number 5. Westman Works St. Anthony Home Finder Kit. Are you searching for a new place to call home? Whether renting or buying, this kit is designed to assist you on your journey. Introducing the Westman Works St. Anthony Home Finder Kit. It's a thoughtful collection to aid your house hunting endeavors. Inside, you'll find a 3-inch plastic statue of St. Anthony. He is a beloved figure for those seeking guidance. The kit also includes a St. Anthony Holy Card. It features a beautiful new image of the saint, created by artist and Manning. Let this special kit offer support as you look for your perfect home. May it bring you peace during your search. What we like. This kit is designed for those actively seeking a new home. It includes a statue and a specially designed holy card to aid in your search. If you are looking for a comprehensive package to assist in finding a place to rent or buy, this is a great choice. What people say. The statue is beautifully detailed and captures the serene expression of St. Anthony perfectly. It's made of a durable resin material that feels substantial and is well finished. The size is just right for a tabletop or shelf display, not too large or too small. Number 4. George S. Chen Imports SSG 205.09 St. Anthony Figurine. Introducing the St. Anthony Holy Figurine, a beautiful piece that brings religious inspiration into your home. Its exquisite design and craftsmanship make it a standout decoration. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This statue is perfect for anyone who cherishes religious inspiration and meaningful decor. Admire the great design and meticulous craftsmanship that went into creating this piece. It's a testament to quality and artistry. Standing at 5 inches tall, this figurine is perfectly sized to fit on any shelf or tabletop. It makes a significant decorative statement despite its compact dimensions. Crafted from high-quality resin, this statue is built to last. Its material ensures durability while maintaining a refined appearance. Add a touch of faith and elegance to your space with this St. Anthony figurine. It serves as a constant reminder of spiritual devotion and beauty. What we like. This figurine offers a beautiful and compact religious decoration. Its great design and craftsmanship make it a perfect gift for those who appreciate inspirational pieces. If you are looking for a smaller, well-crafted statue to add a touch of faith to your decor, this 5-inch option is ideal. What people say. The statue is beautifully detailed, capturing the serene expression of St. Anthony perfectly. It's made of a durable resin that feels substantial and looks like carved stone. The size is just right for a tabletop or shelf display, not too big or too small. Number 3. George S. Chen Imports St. Anthony Holy Figurine, 12. Introducing a beautiful holy figurine, perfect for those who cherish religious inspiration. This piece embodies divine grace and thoughtful design. Experience the exceptional craftsmanship that brings this statue to life. Every detail is meticulously rendered, showcasing its superior quality. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This figurine is an ideal present for loved ones who appreciate spiritual and inspirational decor. Standing at 12 inches tall, its elegant size makes it a striking addition to any space. It's designed to be a focal point of devotion. Crafted from high-quality resin, this statue is built to last. Its durable material ensures it remains a cherished item for years to come. What we like. Standing at 12 inches, this statue makes a more prominent statement. It shares the excellent design and craftsmanship of its smaller counterpart, making it a striking religious decoration. If you prefer a larger, more noticeable piece for your home or as a gift, this taller figurine is a wonderful selection. What people say. The statue is beautifully detailed and captures the essence of St. Anthony. The craftsmanship is excellent, with a realistic depiction of his robes and the infant Jesus. It's a substantial size, making it a prominent piece for display. Number 2. Bellavista Old World Masters St. Anthony Statue. Experience the artistry of Northern Italy's master carvers. This beautiful figurine is crafted in a classic, timeless style. This figure holds the Christ child, a powerful symbol of compassion and miracles. It stands approximately 6.5 inches tall. The figurine rests on an ornate pedestal, adding to its distinguished appearance. Simply dust with a soft cloth to maintain its beauty. Presented in a premium gift box, it's an ideal choice for religious gifts, confirmations, or any special celebration. As a Catholic-owned company with over 60 years of tradition, we offer a curated selection of uplifting gifts and decor. What we like. This figurine is inspired by old-world Italian masters, featuring Saint Anthony holding the Christ child. It comes beautifully gift-boxed, making it an excellent choice for religious gifts or special occasions. If you appreciate classic artistry and are looking for a meaningful, ready-to-gift religious item, this 6.5-inch statue is perfect. What people say. The statue is beautifully detailed and captures the essence of Saint Anthony. It's a good size for a home altar or shelf, not too big or too small. The craftsmanship is excellent, with a nice weight and finish. Number 1. Joseph's Studio Saint Anthony Figure. Discover the exquisite craftsmanship of this figure, designed with soft coloring and remarkable detail. It's the perfect size to enhance any shelf or table in your home, office, or church. Offer an inspiring religious gift that will be cherished for any occasion. This piece serves as a thoughtful addition to any sacred space. This depiction showcases Saint Anthony holding a baby, dressed in a traditional dark brown monastic robe, with a book in hand. It stands approximately 10 inches tall. Carefully constructed from high-quality resin and stone, this piece is built to be enjoyed for many years. Its durable and long-lasting nature ensures its beauty endures. Joseph's Studio is renowned for its Renaissance collection, celebrated for exceptional attention to color and detail. Each figure is meticulously crafted to capture the perfect pose and expression. Add this durable and long-lasting figure to your collection. It represents a timeless piece that brings both spiritual inspiration and artistic beauty to your surroundings. What we like. From the esteemed Joseph Studio Renaissance collection, this 10-inch figure boasts exceptional detail and quality. It is crafted from durable resin and stone, ensuring it will be cherished for years. If you are a collector or seeking a highly detailed, long-lasting religious gift with a focus on artistic accuracy, this piece is an outstanding choice. What people say. The statue is beautifully detailed and captures the serene presence of Saint Anthony. The craftsmanship is excellent, with a realistic depiction of his robes and the child Jesus. It's a perfect size for a home altar or display shelf, not too large or too small. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.